Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. So I'm Saranya and in this video we are going to see another LeetCode problem. So this question was asked when I was giving interview for Zoom car. Okay, so as a data analyst, and yeah, I couldn't answer the question because I was very nervous and I didn't know how to solve it. So yeah, so let's see that question. It's a simple one. Okay, so this is the question, which is 183 of LeetCode, customers who never order, and it's a very easy question. Okay, so we have a table called customers table. You have the ID and the name. So ID is the primary key, which means it will have only unique values. It will not have any duplicates and it will not have any null values. Then you have the name column. Okay, so then you have another table called as the orders table. The column names are like ID and the customer ID. So ID is the primary key, which means this particular ID column will not have any duplicates and nulls also. Then you have the customer ID. So customer ID is a foreign key of the ID from the customers table. Each row of this table indicates ID of an order and the ID of the customer who ordered that. Okay, so now they are saying write a solution to find all customers who never order anything. So result the table in any order. Okay, so this table is the customers table and this is the orders table. So in customers table, you have ID 1, 2, 3 and 4. And in the orders table, let's see which all customers has ordered. So 1 and 3 have ordered already. So whoever is left, 2 and 4 is left. So their names are Henry and Max. So we are getting the output as Henry and Max because they have not ordered, which means their ID is not present in the customer ID column. Okay, so my code will be simple. First, I'll try to figure out which all customer IDs are present here, and I will take a condition that will say don't pick these customer IDs, which means they have never ordered. Okay, so first what I will do, select customer ID from orders table. Okay, so what it will give, all the customers who has ordered. Okay, so this is giving me who has ordered, which is the customer IDs 3 and 1 have already ordered. So now select. So here I am taking the customers, which is the name column. So name as, we are giving the name as customers. From which table? Sorry, customers from the same customers table where the condition is that this particular ID should not be here. Okay, so where ID not in bracket open, and here you have to close the bracket. So it will tell that you should not pick the IDs which are in this list, which is 3 and 1 list. Okay, so let's run. Okay, so this is accepted now, and let's click on submit. The code is submitted. Yeah, so this is an easy problem. Yeah, so I hope you understood this, and if you want me to solve any particular LeetCode problem, or if you have faced a question in the interview before which you do not have an idea how to solve, you can definitely message me in the comment box. I'm actively reviewing the comments. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.